Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial where we talk about the TikTok app. Today we are going to show you how to activate the retro filter on TikTok. So first and foremost, let's go to the TikTok application, and a lot of users want to activate for their TikToks some retro or vintage filters, effects, which can add the special vibe, the special old photo effect. So how to find these cool filters on the TikTok application, we will show you today. And as an example, we have some saved vintage and, as I said before, retro filters in our saved folder. So let's check it, and right now you can check how do icons of this filter look like. So let's go to the saved folder. I need to tap on the third icon at the top bar of my TikTok screen, and later I need to choose the effects option at the top bar too. And as you can see here, we have a lot of different filters like retro filter, vintage aesthetic, and etc. So okay, if you like some of them, let's check it. But before, I will show you how to find this needful effect on your application if you don't have the needful filters on your saved. So you just need to go to the discover option at the bottom of the screen and tap on the search bar at the top. Later, just set the retro filters name to find the needful filters. So we have the list of all possible effects, but don't forget about the see more option. That can help you to check more cool effects. But as an example, right now I have some problems with internet, so I'm so sorry. But you will have the list of all cool effects with this special old vibe, and you are able to choose one you like the most. So I hope that you understand how does this feature works. And as an example, I will choose this one, the second one, retro filter. So how to use this feature? I need to tap on it one time, and right now I have two options. The first of them is to add this effect to my saved collection. I showed it before, and the second option is to use this effect right now, by creating a new TikTok. So to add this filter to your saved collection, let's tap on this at the top of the screen. And as you can see, I removed this filter from my saved collection, but right now I have added it again. And to use this effect, let's pick on the reds at the bottom of the screen. And right now we are in the creator mode. I will use this logo to show you the difference between this effect and the normal mode. So I will show this logo on the TikTok. And let's start our new TikTok creation after tapping on the red central button as usual. I will wait a minute because I want to show you this difference. As you can see, this is like old photo vibe with some, yes. And right now I want to add my TikTok, and to disable this effect, I need to go to the effect section here at the left side of the screen and pick on the cross circle, which is the first icon. I will choose my logo again. And after, let's tap on the same red K again. Yes. And right now, I hope that you can check the difference between the normal mode, as I said before too, and this effect, which I have added. As you can see, yes, the normal mode is more saturated, but of course, as you can check, we have a lot of different vintage filters and effects, so you can choose one that you like the most, that you prefer. So don't forget that to save this created TikTok, let's tap on this next button, and you right now have two different options to go to the draft section or to post this video to your profile page. So I will choose this second option as an example. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok channels. As you can see, we have our special channel, HardReset.Info. So thank you for watching and good luck. Bye bye.